In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to change the LaserJet toner cartridge for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3300 printer series. In this case, you can see that the control panel is indicating that the cartridges are very low. So let's dismiss the message. The other way to check on the toner level is on the control panel. Go to Supplies. Select Cartridges. And you can see that the estimated levels are also very low or near to empty. So here's how to replace the toner cartridge. First, open up the cartridge access door and pull out the cartridge tray. Now this printer uses LaserJet toner number 219, and do take note that the toner cartridge number may differ in different regions or countries, and we have shown here the replacement toner cartridges and the yield. We are going to replace it with HP 219A toner cartridge. So let's remove the black toner cartridge. So we have here the HP 219A replacement toner cartridge for the black. We will replace the cyan toner cartridge next. Followed by the magenta, and finally the yellow. After replacing the toner cartridges, you may push back the cartridge tray and close the access door. The printer will initialize. After it's initialized, you will see the message original HP cartridges installed on the control panel. And the color calibration is finished. So this is how you replace the toner cartridges for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3300 printer series.